for such events is to remind you that masomo haitaishia secondary school. Masomo huwa inaishia tertiary level. Kwa hivyo, after you finish secondary school, there is another level of education called tertiary education, which is TVETs and universities. And as ZTech University, we are here to tell you that we are waiting for you. Wale wanapiga kelele tafadhali ni dakika mbili tu. Please listen to us. ZTech, we are here to remind you that all those people who want to become nurses, if you want to become a lawyer, if you want to become an ICT specialist, if you want to become an economist like your MP, if you want to become a chef, if you want to become a counseling psychologist, if you want to become a clinical officer, if you want to become a teacher, all those courses plus so many others are in ZTech University, and we are inviting you at our tent there so that you come. We give you the brochures, and we also have come with a lot of presents. We have pens from ZTech University, we have t-shirts, and we have other presents for you so that you remember that ZTech was here. The other one advice I want to give you is that when you are in secondary school, you cannot say that you want to become an economist, you want to become a statistician, you want to become a human resource manager, you want to become an accountant, but you don't know the difference between all those courses. You can't say that you want to be an ICT specialist, but you don't know the difference between computer science, IT, cybersecurity, software engineering. You don't know about all that. And it is not your problem for not knowing. You need to look for a mentor. And I want to send you with an assignment today. Go look for a mentor who is going to guide you in the area that you want to perfect in. If you want to become a teacher, get a teacher who should be your mentor. If you want to become a doctor, get a medic who is going to guide you in the medical field. If you want to become an accountant, get an accountant or a person in the finance field who is going to guide you in the steps and in the path of the career that you want to take. Lastly, I want to mention that in ZTech University, all those people who have diplomas, they can do degrees either face-to-face or online, pure online. If you have a degree, you can do your master's purely online. If you have a master's degree, you can do your PhD purely online. And we also have certificates and diplomas, degrees, masters, and PhD. We have 4 campuses. One is in Nairobi City. The other one is next to Mangu High School. We call it Technology Park Mangu. And we have our main campus in Loiro. We are waiting for you at the tent there. Come and receive our gifts because we have come here for you. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
CHRM, your 2 minutes.
Halo, halo. Halo, halo. Wanaume uza. Warembo hai. My name is Roy Brian from College of Human Resource Management. I'm going to take 2 minutes. And the first minute is to explain what is College of Human Resource Management. As the name suggests, all the HRs are trained by us. We not only have the HR courses, we have all the courses in the School of Business, we have the courses in the School of ICT, Social Sciences, and all the other levels and all the other spaces. I want to tell you that at College of Human Resource Management, we accept all the students from A students to E students. Sawa sawa? So tell your friend you qualify at CHRM College. We have 4 branches. Our main campus is at Nairobi. Then we have a branch in Mombasa, Kisumu, and Nakuru. And the biggest branch is called the ODEL, or the Online Distance Learning Campus, whereby we accommodate anyone from the comfort of your home, from the comfort of your work. Everyone who is seated here, both the students, the Form 4s who are looking to go for tertiary level after this, and even the parents and all the Form 4 leavers, and everyone who is also working, we are a center of all the professional certifications, right from HR, to CPA, to everyone who is in procurement, all the certifications that you will require, including the ICT certifications. This is the home. Hello? Hello? Before I wind up, I want to tell you, because I can see most of you are my peers, that 1, I want to leave you with 10 words that are the shortest in the dictionary that will make the greatest impact of your life. And these words are, if it has to be, it is up to me. If it has to be, it is up to me. That makes you take a full responsibility of everything that you do and makes sure that every step, every decision, or anything that you decide to do, you have full accountability. If you want that A, if you want that E, it resides within you. Thank you very much. May the Lord God bless you.
Thank you very much, Roy. Tumpigie makofi Lukenya. EKU, be on standby.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mary. I'm from Lukenya University and College, and we really appreciate this initiative. We are from the Eastern region, far away Makueni County. Hello. So we offer courses in business. We have ICT. We have courses in hospitality. We also do train teachers. We also have engineering courses and many other courses. So we invite the young and even your teachers to come to our tent, and we will give you more information on the courses we offer, and also more to the young people. We are here to build your careers and to talk about your future. So kindly come to our booth and we will talk more about what we can do about your future. Thank you.
Kenyatta University, Murang'a, be on standby.
Kiharo oye. Kiharo oye. Tonyorokia Kiharo. Tonyorokia Kiharo. So sisi ndio KU tuko hapa. You've heard the MP has been there twice, his bachelor's and his master's. We are here to discuss with you about your career paths. And also, apart from that, we are here to look at your life in the university and afterwards. The talents that you have, how can we nurture them? For instance, in KU, how many schools are participating in the National Music Festival? The music festivals, which school is participating here? Nani wana participate music festival? Ndio hawa. Sasa, Kenyatta University has been participating in that music festival, and guess how many years they have been number one? I'm sure most of you are even younger than the years we've been a winner. We've been a winner for the last 15 years in a row. Amgetaka kukuja shule kama hiyo? Amgetaka? Sawa sawa. So tuko pale on that end. After this, please come. We have more to discuss with you, like factors to consider when you're choosing a career, and also good study habits, even for the Form 4s. Much as you have 4 or 5 months remaining, we still have something that we can discuss, which will help you in building that good grade. Sawa sawa. Asanteni sana, and see you on the other side.
Asante sana KU. Let's have Murang'a. After Murang'a, Thika Institute of Business Studies. Karibu ma'am.
Habari zenu. Habari zenu. Okay, I'm Dr. Ruth Moreithi from Murang'a University of Technology, and we are just here in Murang'a town. Hagapi wanajua Murang'a town? Murang'a town. Yeah, so we are just in Murang'a town, in Keharo, and therefore we find that it is good that you also come and talk to you. Sometimes you find that when you go very far from home, sometimes even with the economic problem, you might have no even accommodations. But at Murang'a University, we have good accommodation, we have good hostels, and where we are not able to accommodate you, we have partnership with the surroundings, and we also care for you when you are not in the campus. We offer different programs, starting with engineering, computer science, School of Business and Economics, hospitality and tourism, and also education. And when we talk of education, we also have a branch in Madeira campus, so you can either be in the main campus and also in the Madeira campus. And we also have very many other courses, including the TVET. So if you are not able to join maybe the degree courses, we have the TVET programs. But one thing I would want to leave to you, I know in Murang'a, as a person who stays in Murang'a, what is spoiling our our young people, but I'm telling you that like the way you have been told, have a vision and then work hard towards your vision, and then working hard, it means that you shall also have those self-discipline. And having self-discipline is that you are not just being put by another people who are not doing the right things. When you go home, maybe in the evening or during the weekend or during the holidays, then you are not just attracted by the things which are not for you. So you should learn to say no to the things which can spoil your future. Then also have self-drive. We have been taught by our good MP today that you should have that self-drive. After having your the vision, then know how you are going to achieve that vision. Self-drive is doing the right thing and working towards your vision. So come to our tent. It is just next to where the students are, and we are going to see our brochures and all the programs which are there. To wind it up, I can just tell you one thing, that from the Matthew 6, that is Matthew 6, that 3, that seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all other things are going to be added unto you. So seek ye first the kingdom of God, his righteousness, na hii mabagina yote hata masomo, good future, it will be added unto you.
Pigia daktari makofi. Thika Institute.
Hello, Saseni. I want you to turn to the person next to you, umwambie you look nice. Secondly, umwambia kwamba you are on the highway to future success. Yeah, my name is Amani. I come from Tips College. We are in Thika, and our motto is Highway to Future Success. We are at TVET College, and we train in hospitality, tourism, ICT, journalism, business, engineering, and also health sciences. When you visit our tent, you will see us in action pale. Tutakupima pale pale kwa tent, because we do train in health sciences. Now, every course that we offer at Tips College, there is what we call we add value. Adding value, we make sure that the course you are going to do with us, it is going to remain relevant in a way that we give you free French, German, and Spanish, and also marketing na computer free of charge. Join us. Let's meet at our tent. We talk more about Tips College. Thank you.
All right, so the remaining institutions, we are going to call you. I'm guided that we are going to listen from COOPS. After COOPS, we are going to finish with the remaining 5 institutions that are remaining. Tupigie COOPS, makofi kubwa sana, Mr. Manase, the regional manager COOPS, Nairobi. Karibu sana.
Thank you so much. All protocols observed. Of course, I can never overlook our teachers. I'm a teacher. So when I see them, they are my colleagues. So I always like say, our teachers, they now in Guinea. Next. So kindly, before we start, there's that registration form. Before I forget, just fill up your details. This may not be the exact platform that you may need to pass out this information, but just a general information. But now the real content, we are to get in touch with your schools, then follow up with your schools for free. So just indicate your details so that when they call you for teachers' career talks, for students in your schools, you can be able to nini. So basically, my name is Manase. I work with Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service. That is the body that is mandated to place students under government sponsorships once they are done with high schools or senior schools. So we are here just to pass out information. I can never overlook our institutions of higher learning, our colleges, our universities. Those are the key institutions that we place, and without them, we are just null and void. So basically, for our students, just take some few minutes of some notes for the sake of your tomorrow. So before we proceed, just 2 things that we need to talk about. 1, career guidance. 2, we are going to talk about placement criteria. How we are going to place you to that university, to that college after you are done with senior school. To our Form 4s, be very attentive, because at a time like this next year, you will be the person we are going to handle. You will be our client, and you need to understand the information that is needed. 4 components of a career plan. We were given the right way. Thank you, my good friend, for that opportunity. It was a good one. 4 components, currently 1, self-awareness. Kindly know yourself more than any other thing because you are the person who knows him or herself. Number 2, understand what you call self-exploration. Move from one tent to another. Go and visit those schools. Talk about each and every course. It is very important for you. Number 3, make a firm decision. Make a decision about what you want in life, and that will take you to another level. Number 4, work towards your goal. Wake up, go, read, and move towards working your goal. That is it about career guidance. This is not the platform to talk about it in detail. Placement. How do we place you? We place to universities and colleges. This is the criteria. The government ensures 100% transition of students from high school to university and college under government sponsorship. The policy indicates this. 1, you must be a Kenyan citizen for you to be placed. Number 2, you must be a KCSE candidate, meaning you must have finished KCSE before you join that university or college. Number 3, you must meet the minimum requirement. 1, for a university, it is a C+ and above. So anyone with a C+ and above, you are eligible to apply for a university or a degree program. Anyone with a C-, a C and above, you are eligible for a diploma program. Anyone with a D, a C-, a D, a D+ and above, you are eligible for a certificate program in a TVET college. Anyone with a D- and E and above, you are qualified for an artisan program. So basically, we will place you from A to E. So for our Form 4s, next year you'll be our clients. If we have any Form 4 leaver, who is here, if you have any Form 4 leaver who is here, kindly visit us. The portal is open for you to apply for a TVET college, KMTC. It is open now. We shall guide you accordingly. Now listen, after placement, what happens? KCSE year results will be announced next year, January. Once they'll be announced, in February, we shall start working the journey with the current Form 4 KCSE candidates. That is for the 2026 KCSE candidates. We shall work the journey with you until we place you to that university, to that college of your choice. Currently, for the 2025 cohort and below, the portal is open for you. Come over, we apply for you so that you can be able to get that scholarship, that help that even Mwesh indicated here. So before you walk into any other opportunity of funding, please first apply with COOPS, that is Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service. Then from there, we can be able to support you. That is it for today. We are going to have the nitty-gritties after we get in touch with our teachers who will invite us to our schools. Then we can have now a one-on-one discussion with the students. Thank you, and God bless you so much. We are seated there. Kindly come over. We support you accordingly. Thank you.
Makofi ya nguvu. Makofi nzito kwa Mr. Manase. 1, 2, 3. Tena. Asante. Honorable Mheshimiwa Manucho, have your minutes. Karibu.
Black Market Records.
Woza. Hey, students. Mko gangali? Najua masaa imeenda, si ndio? Have you learned something? Tumesoma kitu, si ndio? Sasa before I continue, Mheshimiwa Dede ameenda, ameniambia amefika huko bunge, amekimbia bunge. Si mnajua saa hii anakimbizana na mambo ya committees huko. Na mambo ya budget saa hii, si ndio? So ameniambia niwaambie, ameenda kwanza afike bunge, lakini atakuwa akifuata hapa kwa live, si ndio? Tumemkubalisha, si ni sawa? Si Dede ni mmoja wetu. Na mkenetio niwe? Sawa, tumpigie makofi. Nice, very nice. Majina yangu ni Anthony Marofu Manucho. Na mnajua safari yangu, si ndio? Mtu ananijua? Tafadhali student and teachers, mtu ananijua? Yes. Kama mjui safari yangu, mimi I rose from the border sector there mpaka to the floor of the assembly. Na mwenye alifanya hiyo kazi yote ni Mheshimiwa Dede Nyoro. Hata ni venye ameenda tungekuwa tukiongea mambo hapa. Sababu mheshimiwa kuna vile mkisikia anataka kuwa mentor nyinyi wanafunzi mpaka mkue leaders ama to be successful in your life. Mheshimiwa anajua vile anafanya. The time I met mheshimiwa nilikuwa pale kwa Duthi. Nilikuwa nabebea pale Mukuyu. Nilikuwa natumia hiyo route ya Mukuyu Kiria sababu I hail from Mugoiri. Hapa tu Dutumi. Mheshimiwa kupatana na yeye, the best thing aliniuliza umesoma mpaka umesoma masomo yako imefika wapi? Nikamwambia mimi nimefika form 4. Kama nyinyi sasa, si mnaenda kumaliza, si mko candidate na form 3. Kumwambia hivyo akaniambia, do you have any skills? Mimi nikamwambia ile kitu niko nayo ni driving license. Sababu venye nilimaliza masomo, my guardian hangeweza kunisomesha kwenda campus, lakini nilikuwa nimepita na C+. Mheshimiwa nikaona kwanza kitu anataka ni mambo ya masomo, the skills that I have. Mheshimiwa akakuwa na ile willingness ya kunisupport nikuwe teacher. So akapiga simu kule Kagumbo Teachers na tukaongea huko na the management na nikakuwa nitaenda huko nisome, nikimaliza anitafutia TSC number nikuwe mwalimu. Lakini at that time my field of interest ilikuwa siasa. So mimi nikaambia mheshimiwa, wacha kwanza nipambane na hali yangu saa hii, uko beleni Mungu atapanga. So saa hii tunaongea hivyo. Mimi saa hii niko bunge pale Murang'a kama nominated MCA kurepresent youth wa Murang'a. Na hiyo kitu yote Murang'a ndiye mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro ndiye amepush mpaka nikapata hiyo nomination. Saa hii venye tunaongea sababu pia mimi ni mtu mwelevu. Immediately after we joined the bunge pale, mimi nikarudi shule. Nikaenda hapo Mount Kenya University. Saa hii as we speak, I'm graduating with a bachelor degree in public participation, public administration and governance. Simunipigie makofi. Then zile skills alikuwa anataka ni acquire. Saa hii mambo na critical thinking, communication skills, leadership, hizo zote niko nazo. Na as we speak now, sababu najua sitakuwa nominated the other time, lazima pia ning'ang'ane nimfuate pia kwa mienendo yake. Na saa hii tunaongea hivyo, I'm the incoming MCA 2027 Mugoiri Ward, si ndio? Pigieni makofi bado. Na Mungu akinisaidia ni pursue that. Nitakuwa nimesema hard work, determination and dedication na discipline na kutake responsibility ndio zimenifanya nikuwe a that leader. So mimi Ndindi Nyoro siku zote mimi nampatia shukran kwa vile alinishikilia na najua tuko nyuma yake pia, si ndio? Na tunamwambia pia asonge hapo mbele ndio pia na sisi tuingie huko sasa kwa MP huko, si ndio? So students, ombi langu ingekuwa hiyo, tukae disciplined na we take responsibility. Na failure haimaanishi ati wewe hautakuwa successful. Mimi kuwa failure ati sikupata kuendelea huko mbele. Saa hii mimi ni mheshimiwa, so na ninajua nitaenda mbali. So venye tumesoma leo na speakers of today, tuwashukuru sana na tusikize mwenye ameandika those notes, unakaa ukiziangalia sababu leo kuna mtu itasaidia, si ndio? With those few remarks, God bless you na tuonane na andu a Mugoiri ndimwire ni nguka 2027 to turoiga turumbuie Mugoiri na marufu. Ati turumbuie Mugoiri na ki? Na marufu. Turumbuie Mugoiri na marufu. Na ndamera murumbuie moyo. Thank you very much.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Mkumbuke mheshimiwa tafadhali wakati hiyo amesema 2027.
Sawa.
Asante. Hekima akija tupige makofi kidogo. Makofi. Hekima karibu.
Good afternoon, honorable members. Good afternoon, my fellow young people. Are you happy to be here today? Young people, are you happy to be here today? So if you're happy, just welcome your fellow here. Close. You just say you are welcome and I love you. I can't hear you. You are welcome and I love you. Thank you. I'm Priscilla, a Sierra Leonean by nationality, the Vice President of Hekima University College, Nairobi. University College is a center for intellectual excellent leadership and innovative place. Hekima University offers many courses like NGO management, theology, peace and international relation courses. We have so many courses. We are located right here at that corner. Please don't go. Just have a flyer with you and make a home for yourself. Thank you all.
Asante sana Madam President. Pigia Madam President makofi kubwa. Kiharu TVC, tafadhali. After that, multimedia. Then Dandora, be ready. Karibu Kiharu.
Hello. Tunyorokia Kiharu. Tunyorokia Kiharu. Kwa jina naitwa James Mwangi kutoka Kiharu Technical and Vocational College. So Kiharu Technical College iko huko Dukeine karibu na kwa kina mheshimiwa nyumbani. Hapo ndipo tumetoka. Tunafunza courses mingi under the patronage ya mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro kwa sababu ni yeye patron wa hiyo shule. So thank you watu wa KUPS for guiding us well. So mwanafunzi ukishamaliza form 4, hata kama unataka kukuja Kiharu ama kokota kenye unataka kwenda, ingia hapo kwa poto ya KUPS uweze kufanya application na hiyo KUPS itaweza kukuplace hapo Kiharu pahali unataka, na mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro ataweza kukusupport kuwa hapo, na pia serikali itaweza kukusupport kuwa hapo. Our phone number nikimaliza ni 0720 657 630. Our phone number is 0720 657 630. We are 17 kilometers kutoka Murang'a town. Sisi hatuyuko hapo Murang'a town. Mungu awabariki.
Multimedia please. Makofi makofi kwa multimedia. Makofi ya nguvu kwa Multimedia University.
Good afternoon. Habari yenu? Mko poa? Kindly wave to me kama mnatusikia. Morega. Morega rege. My name is Christine Nyawera from Multimedia University of Kenya. Mimi nimekuja kuambia mali ulizaliwa usisomee huko mpaka umalize. Tafadhali fika Nairobi. Are we together? Tumeamua tufanye nini? Tufike Nairobi. Mkam Nairobi. Multimedia University of Kenya is a public institution. So if you want to join, you are able to join through the KUCCPS portal. So kindly keep researching about that. We welcome you to our pale mwisho. We are the very last on this edge. So karibuni sana. I'll give the mic to my colleague and he'll give you more information about MMU.
Good afternoon. Mko poa? Mko poa? Yeah, mimi naitwa Geoffrey Manoti. I'm a lecturer at Multimedia University of Kenya. I want to invite you to attend, and I want us to orient you based on this booklet that I have here. We have several professional certifications, the likes of Huawei certifications. As we speak, some of our students are competing in China. Apart from that, for the ongoing students in the different secondary schools, during your academic trips, I will request that you can work with the administration. Mutembe Multimedia, we have an ICT academy, and we have the only ICT museum in Eastern and Central Africa. So for the candidates, I wish all the best. Fanya bidii mpite, mututembele huko. We are the best university when it comes to technology. That is ICT. Thank you.
Asante sana, Arisen.
Hello. Mko salama? Mnanisikia vizuri? My name is Victor Nyamo. I am the founder and managing director of Arisen International. And in that company, we teach people emotional intelligence and artificial intelligence. I wanted to give a very small example ya how artificial intelligence imetubadilishia how we operate our company and why hata nyinyi mnafaa muende immediately kutoka leo. Mheshimiwa alisema try to follow where the future is headed and be there. So from December last year, artificial intelligence ilifika pahali penye you can give your AI something to do and it will go on for hours ama for however minutes it is na iende ifanya hivyo na imalize. So one of the products that we have that I'm very excited about inaitwa Arisen School, and that product for the past 2 weeks, the amount of work yenye AI imefanya without a person like monitoring the AI doing it, like writing the code, setting up the websites, building the apps, imefanya kazi ya more than 600,000 shillings in the past 1 month. Hiyo ni kazi yenye inge to take more than 6 months kufanya, and we would have hired people wenye tungewalipa hiyo pesa. So you are going to the university, you are very interested in going to the university, tuende usomee kitu kama coding. It's good to know that some of these things can be done with the AI na ujipange hiyo maneno. So number ni 0707, somebody interested in asking about AI, how you can use that in your company, 0707 345 145. Jina ni Victor. Asanteni sana.
Victor Arisen. Ndora Green, your 2 minutes please, and then finally Lawin.
Thank you.
Malaysia.
I am here to represent Dandora Greenlight. It is a technical institution in Nairobi County, and I'm happy to be here. My name is Francis Wambua. I am a technical trainer and a deputy at Dandora Greenlight.